Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about 6 strand braids and we will do 2 types of braiding here. Let's get started. So here we are making type 1 braid by using 6 strands. Divide 3 strands here and 3 here. And now pick the rightmost cord and over these 2 cords. Now pick the leftmost cord and over the 2 cords and cross. We have 3 cords here and 3 cords here. Now pick the rightmost and over these 2 cords. Now we have 4 here, so pick the left cord and over these 3 cords like this. Now we again have 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Pick the rightmost cord and over these 2 cords. We have 4 cords here. Pick the left cord and over the 3 cords like this. Now again we have 3 cords on both sides. Pick the rightmost cord and over the 2 cords. 4 cords here. Pick the left cord and over the 3 cords. And it will goes on like this. Like this. So now we are doing the second type of braid. In this, divide 6 strands into pairs like 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. Now pick the rightmost and over the left cord like this. Right over the left, right over the left. And position is like this. Now just look at these 4 cords and pick this cord and over the red cord like this. Now pick this cord and over under. This is the position. Look at carefully. First cord is under, second is over and third is under. Here first cord is over, second under and third is over. Now 3 cords here and 3 cords here. Pick the rightmost cord and over under like this. Now 4 cords here. Pick the leftmost cord and under, over and under. This is the position. Tight everything like this. Now we have 3 cords here and 3 cords here. Pick the right cord, over and under. And now we have 4 cords on this side and pick the leftmost cord, under, over and under. Tight everything. So this is what we got here. Now again so repeat it again. Rightmost cord, over, under and from left, under, over, under like this, and keep doing this. So in this way you will get 6 strand braid. So we just learned braiding by using 6 strands. We learned 2 types. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.